Receiving and downloading software updates to Odyssey's display audio can now be done wirelessly. When an update is available, you'll see a notification appear on the System Updates app on the home screen. It can be downloaded wirelessly or through a USB device. With a Wi-Fi connection established, it will access the server and download the update. You can update your system wirelessly by selecting System Updates on the home screen. Choose Via Wireless. The update must be approved by you before it can be installed. Select Install Now or Install while vehicle off. A notification will appear if the update was successful. If you have a poor internet connection, updates can be made using a USB device as well. Go to this website for more information.